going to the waterfall.
Okay, you're going inside.
Cookie's overheated. Maybe she should go take a little dip. You should crawl in one of these holes. I was just curious what's in the hole. Apparently nothing. We made it.
Wolf is doing.
No swimming allowed. Where we're gonna eat. Don't mind the mess of the table. We didn't call. This is gonna be our view.
Julie.
Serbian way of drinking. Say živeli and look in the eyes and chug.
Yep.
Warm pogača. That is not ice cream. That is kajmak. Creamy, right out of the cow's nipple. Cream cheese, which is authentic. Pogača is hot. We're going to use our hands to tear into it.
Oh, look at that big pljeskavica.
Pure vegetarian meal in the house. Look at that meso, as they would say. Okay, guys, we're going to devour this. Cookie's on the mend. She's jonesing. Food coma. I can't eat anymore. This is how much food is left over.
This is a plate for 3 people, by the way.
Another homeless dog. They're everywhere. Get away. What's up?